Are you tired of that frustrating tingling sensation in your hands, the unsettling wobbliness in your legs, or the persistent aches in your joints that make every movement a struggle? Imagine a life where you move with ease, feel strong, and embrace your golden years with vibrant energy, free from the nagging discomfort that seems to creep in with age. Many believe these symptoms are an inevitable part of getting older, something to simply endure. But what if there was a surprisingly simple, utterly delicious way to reclaim your comfort and vitality? Forget expensive treatments or complicated regimens. The real secret to feeling more like yourself again, especially after 60, might just be found in your kitchen. We often associate collagen with youthful skin, but its role extends far beyond beauty. It's the very glue that holds your body together, keeping your joints steady, ensuring your nerves transmit signals correctly, and allowing you to move freely without persistent pain holding you captive. If you're ready to say a permanent goodbye to those bothersome sensations and unlock a renewed sense of strength and mobility, then you absolutely cannot miss what we're about to share. In this video, we're unveiling 8 incredibly tasty, easy-to-make snacks brimming with natural collagen boosters that can help soothe tingling hands, restore strength to weary legs, and allow you to rediscover a more comfortable, energetic you. These aren't just delicious treats, they're backed by research to profoundly support your joints, nerves, and overall energy as you gracefully navigate the years ahead. Get ready to transform your daily routine into a powerful act of self-care, one delightful bite at a time. Chapter 1: Indulgent Healing with Dark Chocolate Midnight Clusters. Let's kick off our journey to a more comfortable you with a secret weapon that almost feels too good to be true: chocolate. But before you reach for just any candy bar, let's be clear. We're talking about the rich, profound goodness of real dark chocolate. This isn't just a sweet treat, it's a powerhouse of potent plant compounds, meticulously designed by nature to help your body heal and regenerate from the inside out. Imagine enjoying a delicious bite, knowing it's actively working to support your body's vital systems. Renowned researcher Dr. William Li, who has dedicated decades to understanding how food impacts our body's repair mechanisms, highly recommends dark chocolate with a cacao content of at least 80% as a prime choice for enhancing collagen production and fortifying your body's inherent ability to restore itself. So, what makes this dark delight so extraordinary? The magic lies in compounds like flavonols and proanthocyanidins. While these names might sound complex, their function is beautifully simple and incredibly impactful. They play a crucial role in stimulating your body to create new stem cells, significantly reduce inflammation that often contributes to joint pain and nerve issues, and even safeguard your precious DNA from cellular damage. This translates to more than just internal benefits. It means healthier, more resilient skin, stronger, more flexible joints, and a vastly improved chance of maintaining your mobility and independence, allowing you to live life on your own terms for years to come. However, there's a vital distinction to be made. Not all chocolate is created equal. The sugary, processed candy bars lining supermarket aisles simply won't offer these profound benefits. Your goal is to seek out the darkest chocolate you can find, ideally boasting 70–85% cacao, or even higher, with minimal sugar added. If you can find a bar labeled single origin, that's an even better choice, as these are typically purer and richer in the beneficial compounds your body truly craves. Once you've secured this nutritional treasure, transforming it into a potent collagen-boosting snack is wonderfully straightforward. Gently melt about 1 ounce of your chosen dark chocolate until it's smooth and glossy. Into this molten richness, stir in a generous handful of perfectly roasted almonds, which contribute essential amino acids for collagen synthesis, and a teaspoon of vibrant dried goji berries. The goji berries not only add a touch of natural sweetness, but also deliver a crucial boost of vitamin C, a non-negotiable nutrient that helps your body efficiently utilize all these incredible compounds. Simply drop small spoonfuls onto a plate lined with parchment paper or into miniature molds, then pop them into the fridge until they firm up. The result is a chewy, intensely satisfying bite that offers far more than just a delightful taste experience. almonds. Each cluster provides a powerful dose of antioxidants from the chocolate, actively combating damage within your cells. The almonds supply vital amino acids, the very building blocks your body needs to construct fresh, strong collagen. And the goji berries, with their vitamin C content, act as a catalyst, ensuring your body can effectively absorb and utilize all these nutrients to create new, healthy tissue. What feels like a truly indulgent moment is, in fact, a quiet powerhouse working diligently behind the scenes, helping to ease persistent pain, shield your joints from wear and tear, and gradually restore a profound sense of well-being. This isn't just a snack, it's a daily ritual of self-care, a delicious step towards feeling more vibrant and more like your true self again. You deserve to enjoy such a beneficial treat every single day. Chapter 2: Gelatin Fruit Nibbles, more than just a wiggly treat. When you think of gelatin, your mind might conjure images of colorful, jiggly desserts from childhood. However, this unassuming ingredient holds a remarkable power that is often overlooked, especially when it comes to supporting your body as it ages. Gelatin is far more than just a sweet confection. It's a veritable treasure trove for your joints, your skin, and even the delicate network of your nerves. The reason for its potency is beautifully simple. Gelatin is essentially collagen that has already undergone a crucial transformation, broken down into a form your body can readily absorb and immediately put to use. This means it bypasses complex digestive processes, delivering its benefits directly and efficiently. What makes gelatin such a fantastic ally in your quest for comfort and mobility? It's brimming with essential amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, precisely the fundamental building blocks your body requires to synthesize fresh collagen and meticulously repair damaged tissues. This isn't just anecdotal. Scientific research underscores its remarkable efficacy. One compelling study revealed that individuals who incorporated gelatin into their routine before exercise experienced a significant 37% reduction in joint pain over time. This isn't a minor improvement. It represents a profound difference that can genuinely transform everyday activities, making standing, walking, and all forms of movement feel considerably easier and more fluid. If you've been battling achy knees, stiff hips, or that insidious creeping weakness that often accompanies the years, these gelatin nibbles could truly be a game changer. The beauty of gelatin also lies in how effortlessly you can transform it into a delectable, healing snack right in your own kitchen. Begin by gently warming 1 cup of unsweetened fruit juice on the stove. Vibrant choices like cherry or pomegranate are excellent, not only for their flavor, but also for their high antioxidant content. Be careful not to let the juice boil, as excessive heat can degrade some nutrients. Into this warm liquid, stir 2 tablespoons of plain, unflavored powdered gelatin until it completely dissolves, leaving no lumps. For an added boost of nutrition and texture, consider folding in a few chopped nuts, which provide healthy fats and some fresh berries, offering an extra dose of vitamin C to further enhance collagen synthesis. Finally, pour this nourishing mixture into small molds or a shallow dish and allow it to chill in the refrigerator until it sets firm. What emerges from your fridge is a soft, delightfully easy-to-chew treat that feels light and pleasant to eat, yet works incredibly hard within your body. These gelatin fruit nibbles actively support your joint health, diligently ease stiffness, and provide your tissues with the precise building blocks they require to maintain their flexibility and strength. It's a testament to the power of simple, purposeful nutrition. The profound sense of care and intention you put into making this snack yourself translates into tangible benefits you can genuinely feel every single day, helping you move through life with greater comfort and renewed vigor. Chapter 3: Revitalizing Warmth with Chicken Bone Broth. Bites bone broth might initially sound like a simple culinary staple, a comforting soup, but it is in fact one of the most profoundly potent natural remedies you can introduce into your body, particularly if you're navigating the challenges of being over 60. For those contending with stiff joints, a persistent tingling sensation in their hands, or legs that no longer feel as steady and reliable as they once did, This warm, soothing broth offers exceptional support. This isn't just about comfort, it's about deep nourishment. Bone broth is generously imbued with natural collagen, alongside essential amino acids such as glycine and proline. These compounds are not mere additions. They play an absolutely crucial role in the intricate process of rebuilding connective tissue, meticulously repairing worn-down cartilage, and even aiding the delicate healing of nerves. The magic of bone broth comes to life when you slowly simmer chicken bones for several hours. This prolonged, gentle cooking process allows the collagen within the bones to break down into a highly bioavailable form that your body can absorb with remarkable ease and efficiency. This isn't merely a nourishing food, it's precisely the kind of fundamental support your body yearns for to genuinely bounce back and regain its youthful resilience. The wonderful news is that incorporating this powerful elixir into your daily routine doesn't require any specialized equipment or complex techniques. Simply save the leftover chicken bones from a family roast or even some chicken wings. Toss these bones into a large pot with clean water, a splash of apple cider vinegar, which helps extract the minerals, and a medley of chopped aromatic vegetables like onion, celery, and carrot for added flavor and nutrients. Allow this mixture to simmer gently on low heat for approximately 8 hours, letting all the beneficial compounds infuse into the liquid. Once your rich broth is ready, strain out the solids and carefully pour the liquid into jars. As it cools, you'll observe it transform into a soft, gelatinous consistency. This is your homemade collagen booster in its most natural and potent form. To enjoy, simply scoop out a portion, warm it gently on the stove, and enhance its flavor and nutritional profile with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a sprinkle of vibrant fresh parsley. Even a modest half cup a day can work wonders, helping your joints feel smoother, easing that familiar creaky, cracking sensation that often accompanies movement, and making everyday activities feel considerably more effortless. Moreover, if you've been grappling with weak legs or that uncomfortable pins and needles sensation in your hands, this nourishing broth provides your body with the foundational support it needs to begin repairing the very tissues that govern movement and sensation. It's a gentle, deeply nourishing, and incredibly accessible remedy prepared straight from your own kitchen. More profoundly, it becomes a daily act of profound self-care, one small, comforting bowl at a time.